Hello everyone, I would like to teach you how to cook a simply chocolate chip cookie in your home. The ingredients are 2 and 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of buttered, softened, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and chocolate chips. Mix flour, baking soda, and salt. And set aside it. Mix it before you set aside it. In a large bowl, beat a softened buttered After you beat a butter, mix sugars, granulated sugar, and brown sugar. If you don't have electric mixer, you will mix it by hands. Or mix it with the spoon about 1 minute or until fluffy. After, you will beat an egg and put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it together until it's smooth. Then mix it together with flour. Mixture just until blended. After it became fluffy, you will put the chocolate chips and mix it together. Sasabi ko siya ngayon dito. Grease the bake pan. Grease the bake pan. Put the cookie sheet and grease the cookie sheet. Drop dough by rounded tablespoonfuls 2 inches apart. I'll reheat the oven for about 356 Fahrenheit and bake it for 8 to 10 minutes or until it became light brown. Let's go! Let's go! After remove it from the oven, cool it for about 2 minutes and remove the cookies from the cookie sheet. And this is the product, and this is the finished product of my chocolate chips cookies. Thank you for watching.